بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. My friend and sister, I hope you well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
May God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you. It seems that we are steadily approaching the expected end. In this video, we will shed light on the signs of Doomsday that will appear until the year 2023. The day of resurrection is the day on which all of humanity will stand before the Creator, the Almighty, to be held accountable for its deeds in this world. In this world, good deeds will have their reward in paradise, while evil and transgressions will have their punishment waiting for them for more than 1,400 years. The Prophet Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace, saw signs foretelling the approaching hour of resurrection. These signs were divided into major and minor signs, and these signs began to appear clearly. The first of these signs was the Prophet's mission came, and after that came small signs until there were only a few of them remaining. Among these signs was the return of the land of God, Arabs to become meadows and rivers. In this video, we will explore the signs that have appeared so far and are still appearing, including the major and minor signs we will learn about. Find out the details of these signs and whether there are signs that have not yet appeared. The signs of the day of resurrection represent signs that occur in time and place, foretelling the approach of the great hour, and at this time we find that most of the minor signs have already been achieved. The major signs will explode soon, and we must recognize these signs to understand what we face in the future. Let us be together on this exciting journey to discover the signs of the day of resurrection and think about their meanings and their impact on our lives so that we can learn about them together on this important and exciting topic. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive all new updates. In this video, we will analyze and discuss the signs that have appeared so far and how they relate to religious prophecies and global transformations. We will provide you with valuable information and historical links that will help you understand these phenomena better. Do not worry if you do not know. There is a lot about this topic, so in this video we will give a detailed explanation of each sign and what it means to all of us. We will use religious and scientific information to interpret these signs in an understandable way. We will also address the questions, the rumor about this topic, such as whether these signs mean the end of the world or are there other things that should be we get it. We are excited to share with you this exciting video to explore the signs of the Doomsday and what they mean for us. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the like button if you benefit from the content. Let us embark together on this cognitive and spiritual journey. We await your interaction and questions in the comments. Let us learn and share the pain. Arafat together, let us now begin to explore the signs of the day of resurrection and more. The signs of the day of resurrection that will appear during the mission of the Prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace. The fire of the Hijaz was upon him. The tribute and tax were stopped. Khosrow opened the fight against the Turks and the Tatars. The command was assigned to the corruption of Muslims, the spread of commotion, murder, the assault on buildings by the barefooted and naked, the Shah's shepherds, eclipse and deformity. The abundance of money means handing over one's property, severing ties of kinship, believing a liar and disbelieving the truthful. the spread of injustice and the police that flog people. The land of the Arabs is full of meadows and rivers, with the decline of the Euphrates River, and we noticed the beginning of its decline in Iraq, and none of the signs of the great hour have appeared yet, whether in Saudi Arabia or elsewhere, but the talk is about the signs of the small hour. Ray, which appeared in Saudi Arabia, which is the return of the land of the Arabs to the pastures and collapses, and by the land of the Arabs he means the Arabian Peninsula. Including Saudi Arabia, and the signs of the great hour are 10 signs have not yet appeared, including the emergence of the Mahdi, the emergence of the Antichrist, the descent of Jesus, son of Mary, Gog and Magog, and the destruction of the gods, wailing, raising the Quran, smoke, and falling. The surging of the animal, and the rising of the sun from the west, and the fire that will gather the people to their place of gathering. Most of the signs of the small hour have appeared. The beginning of which was the mission of the Prophet Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace, and the splitting of the moon, and the signs of the minor hour were divided into several parts. Depending on whether it occurred or not where signs occurred and passed, such as the mission of the Prophet, the splitting of the moon, the death of the Prophet, the conquest of the Holy House, and other signs that occurred and passed. Its repeated occurrence is like the birth of a female slave who has raised her, and the barefoot shepherds rushing to build buildings, the emergence of strife, much confusion, and the loss of the mother. These are the minor signs of the hour that have not yet appeared, and they are the return of the Arabian Peninsula, and it collapsed, except that it began to appear, the withdrawal of the Euphrates from a mountain of gold, the extraction of the land but an immorality, the swelling of crescents, slander and mutilation, the slaughter of wild beasts and inanimate human beings, the besieging of Muslims in Medina, the temptation of Halis, al-Sirah, and Ad-Dahima, a man coming out of cotton driving, people with his stick, the appearance of Al-Jajjah, and he is a king at the end of time. Thank you for watching, and may God's peace and mercy be upon you.